Commerce. Commerce is an important part of business. It includes all those activities which are related to the buying and selling of goods, the exchange of commodities, and distribution of finished goods. It also relates those activities which are facilitating, for example, trading and transportation, storage, banking, insurance, and advertising. Commerce is the sum total of all those activities which remove hindrances of person, place, time, finance, and risk in exchange of commodities. In short, commerce includes all those activities which flow the goods from the place of production to the place of consumption. It includes trade and aid to trade. Scope of commerce. The scope of commerce is very wide. It includes trade and aid to trade. It can be explained with the help of the following chart. Commerce. Commerce includes trade and aid to trade. Trade includes home trade and foreign trade, while aid to trade include banking, insurance, storage, and transportation. Home trade include wholesaler and retailer. Trade means buying and selling of goods. It is the exchange of goods and services among buyers and sellers. Trade may be home trade and foreign trade. When there is any purchase and sale of goods between the two countries, it is called foreign trade. Aid to trade. Activities which facilitate in the purchase and sale of goods are called aid to trade. These are as follows. Transportation. Transportation ensures the movement of goods and service from one place to another place. It not only expands the market but also increase viability of labor and capital. Insurance. Insurance is another important aid to trade. The risk of damage to goods due to fire, flood, earthquake, or another cause is covered by insurance, thus help in the expansion of trade. Warehousing. It is a kind of storage. Nowadays most of goods are produced in anticipation of demand and keep it in the warehouse. When order received, the goods are issued to the purchaser. Banking. Banks as institution which channel people saving into productive loans and investment. Thus banking mainly refer to deposit and loan. A broader definition of banking is any financial institution that receive, collect, transfer, pay, exchange, lends, invest or safeguard money for its customers. Advertising. An advertisement is the promotion of a product, brand or services to a viewership in order to attract interest, engagement, and sales. Advertisements come in many forms, from coffee to interactive video, and have evolved to become a crucial feature of the app marketplace. Agents. An agent in legal terminology is a person who has been legally empowered to act on behalf of another person or an entity. An agent may be authorized to represent a client in negotiation and other dealing with third parties or may have decision making authority. Two common types of agents are attorney who represent direct in legal matter and stockbroker who are hired by investor to make investment decision for them.